Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial, which will show 2 ways that you can use to disable Windows Defender in the Windows 10 Home operating system. The first way is to disable Windows Defender from the Windows Security section. This is the most preferred way to disable Windows Defender, when it does not allow you to install a program or game on your computer. Press the keys on your keyboard. Win, A+I. Click Update and Security. Windows Security and Protection against viruses and threats. Click Manage Settings, and on this tab, turn off Windows Defender. After installing an application that conflicts with Windows Defender, you can add this application to the exceptions. Click Add or Remove Exceptions. Add an exception. Find the file you need and mark it. Quick settings are disabled in real time. Please note that Windows Defender will be disabled only for the current session, and when you restart the computer, it will be turned on automatically. But this is actually a good feature for quick action. The second method guarantees a complete shutdown of the protector on your computer. Disabling Windows Defender in the registry editor. Click on the keyboard, then A+R, and write regedit. OK. Here we go this way, key local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, Windows Defender. Here we will create several parameters, but before that we need to disable the Windows Defender. We go to the Windows Security Center, Protection against viruses and threats. Click Manage Settings, and on this tab, turn off all 4 engines. Next. For your convenience, I wrote all the parameter names in the document. Do the same or copy from the description for this video. Now I just copy the parameter name, DisableAntiSpyware. Right-click on the Windows Defender partition window. Select New, Word 32-bit. And paste in his name. To change a value, left-click on it twice. Its value is 0, and you need to replace it with 1. Please note that in the parameter names all words should be written without a space, that is, together. In the same way, create the next parameter, I copy in the document, AlowFastServiceStartup. Right-click, New, Word 32, and paste the name. Here the value of 0, and leave 0. Copy the name and create another parameter in this section. Leave the value 0. Now you need to create a subsection in Windows Defender, and do it like this. I copy its name in the document, Real-Time Protection. Right-click on Windows Defender, select New, Key, and paste its name. In the new subsection, you need to create 2 parameters. Copy in the document, DisableIOAVProtection. Right-click, select, Create, Word 32 parameter, DisableIOAVProtection. Value 1. I copy the name, DisableRealtimeMonitoring. Right-click. Paste. Change the value to 1. Create another subsection in Windows Defender, copy its name, Spynet. Click on Windows Defender, create a subsection and paste its name. In this subsection, you need to create 2 parameters. I copy the name, LocalSettingsOverrideSpynetReporting. Create the parameter. Paste the name. Value 0. Now, SubmitSamplesConsent. Value 2. After that, you need to disable the Windows Defender service. To do this, close and restart the registry. Then, A+R. Enter. And now we go this way, key local machine. System. Current control set. Services. WinDefend. Double-click on the parameter, Start, and change its value to 4. OK. Close the registry. Restart the computer. And after that, the Windows Defender service will be disabled. We open the Windows Security section. And we see that the Windows Defender is disabled. Yes, we did it. Now you can remove the Defender icon from the taskbar. For this, right-click on Start. And launch Task Manager. Click Details, Startup, Disable. And in order to remove the Defender icon, you need to restart the computer again. And last, to turn Defender back on, spend the whole process in the reverse order. And so, the Windows Defender icon from the taskbar disappeared. This video tutorial ends. Thank you all very much for your attention to my video. Good luck.